Rotary International is a 120 years old organization. With over 1.4 million passionate individuals, we lead the change. We are the people of action who believe in the power of service.
Now imagine taking that same vision and handling it over to young leaders. That's where Rotrex comes in. The first Rotrex Club was founded in 1968.
Rotrex empower young adults aged 18 and above to develop leadership skills, serve communities, and build lifelong connections.
The idea is simple: give young people the platform, the resources, and the trust to lead projects that matter.
Rotary clubs are self-funded and self-managed, but they work with local Rotary clubs for mentorship, support, and collaboration.
The initiative focuses on the areas like peace and conflict resolution, disease prevention and the treatment, water and sanitization, maternal and the child health, basic education and literacy, economic and the community development, and supporting the environment.
Members of Rotary plan service projects, host events, raise awareness, and grow professionally, all while having fun and connecting with like-minded people across the world.
Today there are more than 9,000 Rotary clubs in nearly 190 countries. That means wherever you go, you are never far from someone who believes in service above self.
And here in Udaipur, the Rotary Club Aishwarya carries that torch.
We are proud to share that we were originally chartered in 2003, making us the oldest Rotary club in our district, RID 3056.
In the club, we work through different services like club services, vocational services, community services, whether it is medical or non-medical, new generation services, international services, club administration, and building a positive public image.
Every student-led project we take on blends purpose with learning, leadership, and community.
Fundraisers, blood donation camps, cleanliness drives, health awareness program, youth development campaigns that reflects both purpose and spirit.
At Rotary Club of Aishwarya, we believe in balancing service with smiles.
Beyond our impactful community projects, we organize lively fellowship events designed to help our members to unwind and connect.
Imagine evenings filled with singing, dancing, picnic, and cozy bonfires, all fantastic opportunities to freshen up and make new friends to create lasting memories.
But it's not just about service and fellowship.
It's about becoming better individuals, learning to lead, to communicate, to collaborate, and to grow.
In Rotary, we find confidence, direction, and a second place that pushes us to be our best.
This is who we are. This is what we do.
Let's hear what our club Rotaractors have to say.
Hello everyone, I am a proud Rotaractor, Priyanshi Vyas of Rotary Club of Aishwarya. One of the most impactful moments for me was hosting our blood donation camp on 25 September 2024 at Aishwarya College, Udaipur. On that day, during the camp, RG has collected 50 units of blood from our college. Another memorable experience for me, our winter clothes donation drive. On that day, we handed out the warm clothes to needy people at Kachi Basti. And then the bonfire fellowship. Wow, what a beautiful experience. Gathering around the fire, sitting, laughing, cheering up. All these have really fun. It was so simple yet made me feel connected to everyone. Rotary is all about real human moment. Rotary gives you friends for life. If you are looking something meaningful which really connects you with people, this is the place for you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rakshita Jain, a proud member of Rotary Club of Aishwarya. This has been such a great opportunity for me to join this club. Joining this club has been such a rewarding experience for me, as me and my fellow members have felt the importance of creating awareness about skill development programs. So we also organized a career guidance session on 10 December 2024 at Aishwarya College campus. It was such a great sight to see so many students eager to learn and grow. Being part of Rotary Club Aishwarya is more than just events. It's about learning together, creating memories, and creating a difference in people's lives. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so good to connect with you all. This is Mansi Pemawat as a member of Rotaract Club of Aishwarya. Rotaract Club, where young leaders unite to create change. It's all about service, growth and making an impact. We see Rotaract as a bridge between passion and action. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rotaractor Pranjal Mogra, and being a part of Rotaract Club of Aishwarya was a great fulfilling experience. I got to know about this by reading their large-scale project known as Project Antar Yatra, which focuses on mental health of youth. It has taken initiatives which are interesting, and around 25,000 plus children and 50 plus schools in Udaipur have taken it. Being a part of this club, I have also developed personal growth. It's not only about giving to society but also giving to ourselves. I have become more confident in front of camera and talking to new people. I'm also keen on exploring the travel opportunities that Rotaract offers, such as the youth camps and the RILA, Rotaract Youth Leadership Awards. Recently, I got to know about Anushka Kaushik from Jaipur, who has attended a youth camp in Europe, where she visited Belgium, Germany and France. Reading about her experience in Governor's Monthly Journal was quite fascinating and inspiring. Opportunities in Rotaract are endless, and the question is, what do you want from Rotaract?
Hello everyone, I am Priyal Joshi, Vice President of Rotaract Club of Aishwarya, and joining this club has significantly changed my life because I have learned about diverse culture of India and the challenges that people face at today's life. I have learned and developed many skills like communication skills and leadership qualities and managing the time. Although we all members are from different backgrounds and have different perspectives of life, but still we all are together and are ready to help. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Bhargav Vaishnav. I am Director of Community Service in the Rotary Club of Aishwarya, जिसका कार्य होता है समुदाय की सेवा के लिए कार्य करना। मैंने रोटरैक्ट के साथ जुड़कर कई अच्छे कार्य किए। रोटरैक्ट के साथ जुड़ना मेरे जीवन के बेहतरीन निर्णयों में से एक था। हम आने वाले समय में कई ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट करने जा रहे हैं जो पूर्णतः समाज के कल्याण के लिए होंगे। तो अतः आप सभी से मेरा अनुरोध है कि आप भी इसमें जुड़कर अपना सहयोग प्रदान करें। धन्यवाद।
So, are you ready to join Rotaract Club Aishwarya? Follow our social media channels for more updates.